Hello, everyone. Welcome back to World Wealth Forge, your ultimate guide to financial independence. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the stock market to uncover the basics of the stock market for beginners. Before we move forward, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. So, without further ado, here are 10 potent stock market tips to revolutionize your financial journey. First, what is the stock market? Imagine the stock market as a bustling marketplace, where buyers and sellers trade shares of ownership in publicly traded companies. It's a dynamic ecosystem where fortunes can be made and lost, all based on the principle of supply and demand. Second, how does the stock market work? Stocks are bought and sold through exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. Think of these exchanges as the marketplace's infrastructure, facilitating trades and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Third, why would someone want to invest in stocks? Well, stocks offer the potential for higher returns compared to other investments over the long term. They're a way to grow your wealth, albeit with some risk attached. Fourth, types of stocks. There are two main types of stocks, common stocks and preferred stocks. Each offers different rights and carries different risks. It's like choosing between different flavors of ice cream, everyone has their preference. Fifth, how to buy stocks. To buy stocks, you'll need a brokerage account. This can be set up online or through a traditional broker. It's your gateway to the stock market, allowing you to buy and sell shares at the click of a button. Next, understanding stock prices. Stock prices fluctuate constantly, reflecting the ever-changing balance of supply and demand. It's a dance of numbers that can be both thrilling and nerve-wracking. Seventh, risks of stock market investing. Investing in the stock market isn't without risks. Market volatility, company performance, and a myriad of other factors can lead to losses. It's important to be aware of these risks and to invest wisely. Eighth, basic stock market terminologies. To navigate the stock market, you'll need to understand some basic terminologies. Terms like dividends, earnings per share, and market capitalization are part of the market's language. Ninth, how to research stocks. Researching stocks is an essential part of investing. It involves using financial news, company reports, and analyst recommendations to make informed decisions. Finally, building a stock portfolio. Building a stock portfolio involves diversification and long-term planning. It's about creating a balanced mix of stocks to spread risk and maximize potential returns. There you have it, the basics of the stock market for beginners. Remember, learning about stocks is just the first step. In our next video, we'll delve into more advanced strategies to help you become a savvy investor. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips from World Wealth Forge. Until next time, keep forging your financial future. See you next time.